Good morning from the Cascades. We're here. It's another beautiful day in Washington, and we're looking for morels. First morel of the day. Look. We got some up here. Tanisha has some morels over here. Where are they at?
Well, I just picked some over here, and now I'm heading down. There's one right here. Nova's leading the way.
Oh.
One right here.
Nova's leading the way. All right. So when you find one, it's a good idea to stop and take a look around, because chances are you'll find a couple more. Like this. You got these guys. This is good, Nip.
Why, hello. We're out here foraging for some morels, and you know, it's been a good day so far, nice and sunny. We have Mr. Overhill out here, little Novi kitty, just chilling, and yeah, we'll let you know what else we find in a little bit. Play around with these settings.
Nish, let's see your basket.
There we go. Still on the early stages here, but we have some goodies in here. Found some good things in the first hour. We'll see what's up on the horizon.
So right now we're just taking a little break. We've had a little bit of luck. I think we found a few. You know, we really only stopped in like one or two areas. Tanisha has some in her basket as well. So you can see I have a few. Some of them are bigger than others. Not all of them are huge, but pretty solid so far. We found a nice shady spot. So it's hot out here. You know, not too hot, all things considered. Maybe like, I don't know, 65 degrees. So nice enough to wear short sleeves. Just got to check for ticks. Otherwise, wearing pants that we don't get soot all over ourselves. So
This little one hydrated as well. Kitty's got to stay on her best feet.
okay, so after a long day in the hot sun foraging morels, now we're just chilling by the Skycomish River, and it's pretty darn nice. And check it.